Right, good morning. So I'm practicing my London accent today because I'm in London, right? What I found really funny, right, about being here is that, like, when I go to work in the morning, everybody, they walk like, oh, apparently he's asking me if I want to go on a bus tour, innit? There's so many people, I ain't gonna lie. Look at, like, the way people walk here, it's like really fast, like, look at this. Everybody is like walking with, oh, little pink taxi. Sorry, my ADHD is just jumping through the roof. Hang on a minute. I'm walking over, I've worked it out now, this is London Bridge, and hang on a minute, I'll show you Tower Bridge. It's in the distance, it's so pretty. Hang on a minute, let me see if I can show you. Hang on, I've got to walk fast like the other Londoners to keep up in it. Hang on, I'll stop. Stop it, oh sorry. Look at that, isn't that magic? There's a big frigate or something. That's so funny. Did you notice I went, oh, sorry? And he goes, that's all right. He didn't even know I wasn't a Londoner. I'm just blending, do you know what I mean? Like, nobody will know. I just got to try and keep it up. I love listening to all the accents here. Like walking over this way, you hear a lot of toffee ones. You know, like they're all talking like that. Because they're all very busy, very, very busy, making lots of money in the business district of London. Anyway, I just thought I'd come on here and say hello from London. It's very nice here. It's bloody hot. Have a good day.